everyone, welcome back to Fembot IT. My name is Julie, and today we are going to deploy an EC2 instance into a VPC in AWS. Thanks for coming by. Please remember to like, share, and please subscribe. Okay, so let's get into it. First, we want to go to aws.amazon.com, click in the upper right-hand corner to the AWS console, and sign into your free tier account. You can either go under Services, or if this what's pop up, we click under Compute for EC2. On this page, it may be slightly different if you don't already have EC2 instances running, but we want to click the blue Launch Instance button, and this will bring us to our first selection page, which is going to be Choose Our Amazon Machine Image, or AMI. And as you can see, there are many different AMIs you can choose from. You can also go into the AWS Marketplace. You can type in here like WordPress, Windows, anything in the search bar here. You can click under Community AMIs, but we are going to just stick with the free tier, and we're going to select this first one. Now on this page, we're going to choose our instance type, and this, you really kind of want to know what your EC2 instance is going to be used for before you get to this page, because there's different vCPUs, memory, network performance, there's different instance store, memory, etc. And if you scroll down, you can see there are a lot of options to choose from. But again, we're going to stay in the free tier and select the second one. Alright, this is one of my favorite pages. So this page, you can do all kinds of things. You start off with the number of instances you want to deploy. You can put it into an auto-scaling group. You can select your VPC. Here you'll see that this is the default VPC that I just created for this tutorial. You can also create a new VPC here. You can create a new subnet. You can put it into a subnet or let it choose for you. I usually enable this as your auto-assign public IP address, but you can also enable that at a later date. You can have a choice for placement groups. This is really neat here, your IAM role. So you can create a new role, or you can choose one of your existing roles. And used to, when you were creating an EC2 instance, if you did not add the role at this point, you could not go back and do it, but nowadays you can. Our next selection is the stop shutdown behavior. I keep mine on stop just because I use my EC2 instances in my WordPress site, so I do not want them to terminate because I would like to keep everything I have. But the choice is up to you. So you also have a choice for your tenancy. And if you scroll down just a little bit more under advanced details, you have an opportunity to add in a bootstrap script. So that you would do this here if you have one that you want to add. Next, we're going to add some storage, and you can add as many volumes as you want. You can see the different storage types. You have your general purpose, your provision IOPS, and your magnetic. And you can also see you have more options on your non-bootable down here. Next, we're going to add some tags, and I think tags are so important. It helps keep your environment organized, and it can help you if you have any type of audit situation. It's a good best practices to use. On the next page is the configure your security groups. You can add as many rules as you would like. Just remember that you only want to add rules that you actually need because you want to keep your environment secure. And also on this page, on your security group page, you can create a new security group, or you can select an existing one. All right, and then on this page, this is where we review all the choices that we have made. So you see your AMI, your instance type, your storage, your security group. Here you'll see your instance details, your storage, and then your tags. Okay, and then we'll go to launch. And this is a really important screen. So you have a couple of options here. You can choose an existing key pair, or you can create a new key pair. If you create a new key pair, you give it a name, and then you have to remember to download your key pair. And you want to save that somewhere that's safe and secure, and it's easy for you to locate so that it's there when you need it. You can also proceed without a key pair. I did this initially when I set up my WordPress site, but you cannot you cannot SSH into your EC2 instance if you choose that option. So we're going to choose an existing key pair because I know where this one is, I know what it is, and it is readily available to me. We're going to click Launch Instances. And this will just show you your instances are launching, everything is initializing. If you click View Instances down here at the bottom, it'll take you back to the EC2 Management Console. And here you can see that our EC2 instance is actually in pending state. So it only takes just under a minute or so for the EC2 to be up and running. Oh, and there we go. Bam! Up and running. And you'll see also here that it's going through its status checks, which it will. So to terminate the instance, you can do two things. You select the instance you want to take an action on, click down to Instance States, and here you can stop or terminate. And we're just going to say yes, we terminate. It's a good thing to always read any of the errors or the messages they give you just to make sure you know before you click the button. And here you can see it's shutting down. Takes just a second. And then also, all right, I just unpaused the video and we're going to hit refresh. And there we go. Bam, your instance is terminated. So you can see it's super easy to do. It's a lot of fun. It's a great experience. There's tons of different choices that you can get in there and play around with. So thanks for coming by again. Please come back and visit me soon. Please like, please subscribe, and please share.